You guys are in for a treat today. Special edition video, cooking breakfast with Trammie surprise. And for our first episode, you know we're doing something serious. The ultimate low carb Jew breakfast. You're gonna like this one a lot. Delicious stuff. Here's what you need to get started. You're gonna need some eggs. Any kind of work. I usually just grab whatever's on sale at the store. Smoked salmon. This is a key ingredient in every Jewish breakfast, all right? I get the farm raised, you know? First off, because it was buy one, get one free the other week. And secondly, because the wild caught tastes like shit. You're gonna need white onion also, butter, delicious tasty butter, pepper that you can crack. Also, heat source, that's a requirement, otherwise it's gonna be real gross. All right, let's get started with some dicing. I have a special dicing technique. I know what you're thinking. This is not footage stolen from the Top Chef finale. This is me, real deal stuff here. You're gonna want your onions in big chunks. I don't know why they taste good in big chunks when you're in lox, eggs, and onions. It's just the way to go. But as you're starting to get to the end of your dicing, you gotta preheat that stove top so it's nice and toasty for those onions to go in there. I set it between medium and medium high. I don't know why, but I like that. I like that setting. All right, so now you throw the butter in, swoosh it around a bit, get this all nice and buttery. So I don't know, I think it makes stuff not stick. This might be a non-stick pan, I don't really know. Once the butter's in and sizzling, it's time for the onions. Gotta get those nice and brown and tasty. If your butter is not melting and sizzling, check your stove, it might not be on. Here's a pro cooking technique that I ain't gonna share with you anywhere, but I will. I'm gonna give you a trick the pros use, they don't tell nobody. Poke shit a lot. As you can see, the poking gave the onions a nice browned look. Time to add the salmon. Another little chunk of butter, cause why not? All right, once the lox is in there with the onions getting sizzling, back to the tried and true poking technique. Just give it some good poking. Your house is gonna fill up with this savory, salty smell, and it's still great. This appears to be cooking faster than I anticipated, so we're gonna drop that temperature a little bit. Now it's time to add the eggs. Ooh, that was a good one. The eggs are in, so now we're going back to the old poking technique. Well, I almost forgot, cracked pepper first. You don't need salt with this dish because these lox are salty. When your lox, eggs, and onion look like this, you know it's done. So you can take it, throw it on a paper plate. Gotta be paper because messes suck. Hate cleaning up. Whew, almost missed the plate. And now it's time to feast. If you have cream cheese, throw it on there, it's gonna be real good. I don't have any. Maybe I'll get a cream cheese sponsor for the next video and then we'll have some cream cheese. Whew. Now we eat. Ooh. That's good stuff. Any day you wake up with lox, eggs, and onions is gonna be a great day. I'll tell you that. All right, dudes, it's official. We're a full-time cooking channel now, so like, get pumped. Nah, April Fools, we're not a full-time cooking channel, you morons. We do it all, baby. Please subscribe.